Show me. I'll let you lead the way. Just elaborate, okay? Right. Okay. Okay.
Basements.
Yep.
Light.
How are we gonna? You want to make a thoroughfare through all of this, don't you? We should make a thoroughfare just in case we go through the house. You don't want nobody.
Trash,
worst case scenario.
Obviously, trash.
Okay. Can you see the flashlight? The plan of action, you know what it should be? We set up and we knock it out. Now, did you do what we talked about on the phone?
So I haven't gone through and tagged anything.
Okay, that's very important.
I know, Richard, but so how I wanted to approach it was there's clearly some obvious trash.
Okay.
I'm going to try to get through here and tag some of the, other stuff. I mean, like the crate, I wouldn't toss, but the food stuff, gone.
Good.
The shelf, I'd keep. I wouldn't say you
All right,
guys
those
toss
are obvious. Those are nice restaurant shelves.
Nice obvious stuff.
Oh,
but,
for sure. I mean, I can discern all of that now. Believe me, okay? I can discern all of that. Let me say this here, and that's fine. We can do this. I mean, we should start down here first, cause it seemed like.
Well, so I'd like to get the kitchen.
You want to start there first, okay?
I want
Let's
to
go back up. We get the kitchen first.
Kitchen and then,
okay. Hey, open that back door while we go upstairs. Let's
I don't have
the logistics to this.
I don't have the other keys with me. But
Okay.
I could grab them if you give me a minute.
Sure.
Need the flashlight?
No, I don't. I'm good. I've been through this numerous of times. Yeah, we got rectify all of this. Whoa. It's not too bad. The bathroom's all right. This is the other side of the kitchen. Whoa. Yeah, please. Let me see. Yeah. So we can put the logistics together, the plan of action, the navigation. Okay, let's go. All set?
Yeah.
Let me take a look.
Oh, I didn't open it all the way. You want to just walk around back, or you want me to open it?
That's fine. Let's walk around back. Come on.
It'll be easier.
Okay. That's cool. Perfect.